Here we are, we've arrived in Disney. It's our first time away. This trip has been a long time coming. And yeah, we're going to try and capture these adventures as best we can. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Disney, here we are. So we're headed over this morning. We're over in Animal Kingdom.
Heading to Pandora's. It's a 25-minute wait for flight of passage.
That's it. We got our refillable mugs yesterday, which I think we'll be getting much use of. So yeah, we're going for the vitamin water this morning. Very nice.
Bit of healthy after all the junk we ate yesterday.
Yeah. So we only just landed yesterday, and I must admit we were feeling very tired come about 10:30, but we managed to stay awake for quite a long time. But yeah, I think a decentish night's sleep last night.
Feeling bright this morning.
Yeah, much brighter this morning. So yeah, let's head on over and see how we get on.
Once you've found your number, please make sure everybody can see the screen.
We have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi ride, the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area.
So, flight of passage completed. I think that was about
amazing.
25 minutes wait in total. First ride of the trip. Absolutely brilliant. I mean, like, who wouldn't want a ride in the back of a banshee?
A banshee, a Nicron.
Yeah, a Nicron. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. The effects were brilliant. Yeah, just amazing, incredible.
Want to do it again.
Want to do it again. So,
currently heading to Kilimanjaro Safaris and probably going to pick up a snack along the way.
Yeah, that's it. I'm very impressed so far with the wait times. Fingers crossed that continues, and yeah, we can get on many rides with minimum wait time. So yeah, fantastic. Get some footage on the walking. Okay, and here in this part we're just on our way to the Kilimanjaro Safari. One thing to note is just how amazing all the buildings look and everything else like that. But yeah, we'll next be on the Kilimanjaro Safari, but there won't be as much narration on that ride, unfortunately, just because we were quite enjoying it, and I was trying to multitask, taking a lot of photos and video at the same time, so which you'll imagine is not an easy task for anyone. But here we are on the Kilimanjaro Safari now, and yeah, enjoying looking at all the animals and having a peaceful time. And in a moment you'll see some random animals just trying to block our path, so yeah, all fun and games here. Oh yeah, hippos. Hippos.
Now, the day above tree is also known as the tree. Actually, the day above tree is usually green planet. There, baby. That's the herd. Now, on our left, these cows.
It's gonna come across the road. Yep. So no, none shall pass.
Oh, there's two. There's one over there. Oh, there's three right here. It's so close. It's not close. Look. Oh my goodness. This side giraffe. And the way that you can tell they're Messiah giraffes is going through the conditions of their hatches. So you'll notice how that's one big baby. Now he is in a blind turn, so I can't fully stop here, but I can drive really slow. Now, once the elephants are by themselves like this, it's pretty safe to assume.
I hope it is. Might die.
There's worse than that at Universal. Velocicoaster.
Oh God no. Make me sick. So despite my warnings of potential death, here we are still under queue for the Expedition Everest ride.
Alright, go ahead, come on. Hi, Donald. We met Donald.
Yes, we did. Unleashed my inner child.
Huge to go meet Donald.
Yep. But no, it was brilliant. I really enjoyed it. What else? We've crammed in Expedition Everest.
And Dinosaur.
And Dinosaur, yep. Kilimanjaro Safari, did that as well.
Yeah.
And that was good. Yeah, Expedition Everest. Yeah, it was pretty good. Scary in parts for me, especially when Kevin reaches out and goes, "Oh, look how high up we are." It's like, "Oh, great." So, but no, it was all good fun. On our way now to get some lunch, I think.
And then maybe try get the Navi River journey and maybe even Flight of Passage again.
Yeah, Flight of Passage so far for me been best ride so far. Really enjoyed that one. So, yeah, catch you guys in a bit. Otherwise it just goes a bit funny in the videos.
There's Everest. Do that again.
Ah, there's Everest.
Really good.
Ice creams.
It's just ice cream.
I think so.
Yeti sundae.
Ugh, nice.
You don't know where we are either? Does anyone know where we are? Oh, bird!
Kid running in.
Yeah, over there. Oh, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah, we haven't earned our navigation badges yet, so we don't really know where we're going. But now we know, so thank you for showing us.
Donald. Oh, Nicholas.
Your favourite?
Oh, Goofy. Goofy.
Wally.
Oh, your favourite. Stitch. Well, the ride was so good the first time, we're gonna do it again. And
20 minutes wait time, even better than before, so happy days. What say you?
On a mission.
She's charging ahead, going for it.
I want the middle of the row, I want the middle of the seat this time.
Aye, we're aiming for the middle this time. First time we was, I think 1 and 2, so on the edges. Right, going into darkness now, so you'll probably not see us, so catch up with you in a second. I didn't even get on camera. Have to do it again now, little jog. Have to do it again now, little run. And she's off. Don't know if it's...
The chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals in their lunch, but the Navi and avatars can. In fact, the Navi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. So,
Yeah,
let's
oh
get ready
dear.
for our next...
Unfortunately this time we had an error on the ride, so it took quite a bit longer to actually get through it and get on the ride, but Disney were very good about it. They took us straight off and we were on very next journey, so all good there. But yeah, we weren't sure what were going on this one.
Or as we call it, a banshee.
So now just to take a bit of a break from some of the rides and adventures that we've been doing so far, we've come over to the fantastic Animal Kindgom Lodge, and yeah, amazing place, really nice accommodation. This foyer area is just incredible, and yeah, it was a nice little bit of a respite from being on the rides. After Expedition Everest my legs were shaking a little bit, so yeah, nice to have a break.
Okay, so bit of a recap really, because we haven't spoken in a while, but we did Flight of Passage again. Quite interesting really, because I mentioned earlier 20-minute wait time, so pretty much a walk on, and got on the ride. A few little issues, didn't we really, where yeah, we sat on it and it wasn't actually going, so ended up having to get brought off again. But they were very good about it, and
we were next in line for
yeah,
the next one.
For the next one, so literally straight back on again, and fortunately the second time we was okay.
We had better seats this time as well. We're in the middle of the row, so you didn't have the edge of the screen.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, then we went over to Animal Kindgom Lodge, had a little look around there. Very nice accommodation there, nice lobby and hotel in general, to be honest, so yeah, a bit jealous, although nothing wrong with this place, to be honest. It's a very nice spot. And yeah, what's planned for later on?
So we've got a reservation at Topolinos at the Riviera. So we're just going to go freshen up and make our way over there, have a bit of a mooch around and get something to eat there.
Yeah, cool. So head back to the room now, chill for a bit, get ready and head back out.
And here we are, just heading back to the accommodation after our first day. Topolino meal was amazing, and yeah, amazing first day. But no, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers!